Hey everyone, it's Martha here again from Tupperware. I would just like to take a minute to say thank you for those who are here watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And which today I have a new Tupperware for you guys, and it's another one that's selling out quick this month, you guys. So yeah, I totally recommend you go out there if you like this product. Okay, go out there, it's selling very quick. Okay, enough talk, you guys. I'm gonna show you the Tupperware, the microwave reheatable cereal bowls. Check it out, you guys. It's even wrapped, so they are brand new. I got another set as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these nice colors. Look at these, they even come with the lid. Over here. Look at this, you guys. And it even has the lid for each one. And I'm gonna talk about it any minute. Just let me take them all out. So bear with me. And they're so easy to close, you guys. These are lovely colors. Look at this, you guys. You hear that? They click in easily. And here's the other color. Look how beautiful these colors are, you guys. They are awesome colors. Here they are. 4 beautiful colors, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and talk about them. These are classics. Your mom and dad maybe have had them. These are going to be my second set that I have now. They are great. I am really happy I got myself a new set. The colors are nicely and refreshed. The seals come on and off easily. They are liquid tight. Also, they are dishwasher safe. They come in a set of 4. I'm gonna show you. I mean, look at that. It's easy. Put in. And there you go, you guys. Before I forget, you guys, I just want to mention this last part. Don't be afraid of purchasing them. There is a lifetime warranty on these Tupperware or any other Tupperware you buy. I tell you, I do not regret buying any of the Tupperwares that I have purchased. So, like I said before, go out there and see what you like and purchase. You won't regret it. So yeah, thank you for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and also if you have any questions, please leave it under the comments. I'll be happy and glad to answer your questions. Thanks again for being here with me. Okay guys, till next time, bye.